Don't. I don't know why you're even asking me. It's disgusting. Have you ever gone to use the bathroom? I'll use it to go number one. I don't even know I'm talking about this.
No one really feels comfortable using the bathroom at work, but sometimes it's really necessary. All hers.
Oh my god, Ericka.
You gotta run in.
I heard once from Ericka, who heard from Jen, who heard from Mackenzie, that she did at work once. That she did. Like, she went to the bathroom and she did.
People just don't know how to get the job done. They're in the closet poopers. I'm not like that. I can get it done at my desk.
Everyone's like, oh, she knows all the secrets. And I'm like, that's disgusting. I don't want to know any secrets.
And I use them at my house too. My ultimate best, the flyby.
Where'd you go?
I've been here the whole time.
So yeah, you just keep on following that. Wanna know what I don't get? I don't get why every time I need to use the bathroom at this place, there's a group of people sitting outside the toilet. Why is there like a hangout spot for you? Are you trash? You're not trash. Why are you hanging out there? If I want to go to the bathroom, I should be able to go to the bathroom. I shouldn't have to walk through a group of people to get there. It's ridiculous. Do you understand me? It is ridiculous. And Christina's like, I just got to the bathroom. Ha ha ha, I'm Christina. Ha. And I'm like, no. If I want to go to the bathroom, I don't want a whole bunch of people sitting outside while I'm trying to take a piss. That is disgusting. That is disgusting. That is a private area. That is a private time in a person's life. No, there are exceptions, of course, if we really want to get into details. I call it my safe haven. You got your scented candles, your Vanity Fair, your Vogue. You sit down and it's peaceful, you know? But then there's Christina, the turd burglar. What?
I personally make sure that I know when everyone is going to the bathroom because I like to knock on the doors while they're going because it just scares the shit out of them. I know you were pooping.
I don't like when I'm in the bathroom and somebody has to knock on the door and I'm trying to use it. So I developed this technique where I have this giant thing and when somebody comes towards the door, I just politely tell them that I'm in there. This whole conversation is disgusting. I'm not gonna sit here and talk about poop. Christina, first of all, girls don't even poop. They poop strawberries. Okay, let's move on to the next subject. Poop jokes aren't funny. Poop jokes aren't funny. I'll say it again. Poop jokes aren't funny. What is this? Christina sent out a joint email to everybody with funny poop phrases. The assquake, the blast, the blumpkin, build a log cabin, bust a grumpy. These are disgusting. Drop a dookie, give birth to a sewer bass, hang a rat, hang a root. Oh, there's pictures. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh.
Oh, that's disgusting. Who would do that? And, oh my god. I don't understand how some people aren't embarrassed about this. They should be because it's freaking disgusting. I should take the plunger to their face. Oh my god.